Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at some really cool coasters, like a hobo style. Really nice. I love these. Hey guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. This is an awesome product. I'm going to do a full unboxing and review. Let's get to the product. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at some really interesting coasters. These are very cool. These are ceramic by this company here. Very nice quality. Come in this nice little box. And their design called this design pattern is Mandala, the drink coasters with a holder, and the holder is made out of metal, which is important to have your drink coasters with a holder. This is a set of 8. This is how it came, packed very well. Came in a couple days, of course. And let me just show you what they look like, give you an idea. The patterns are actually beautiful designs. Really, the photos don't do it justice at all. Here's one here. You can see gorgeous how that is. Now the back of it has this corking. That way it doesn't slide, doesn't scratch the surface of your furniture or wherever you're putting it. And it's a nice, large, good sized coaster. You can put anything on here. You can put mugs, coffee, tea, if you have a tiki bar, things like that. This is really cool and quite fancy. I do like this design quite a bit. So that's that one there. Let me take a look at the next design. Here is another cool pattern. I really want you to see and really appreciate how really nice these really are. Again, it's got that ceramic round on the side of the thing is all ceramic, and the back has the corking. So every one of these have the corking on the back, okay? Here is that design there. And let's pull another one out. Here's another beautiful looking design. Look at this design. Absolutely gorgeous. This is exactly what it looks like. The design is beautiful. Take a look at that one. Let's take a look at the next design. Each one of these are individually wrapped, as you can see. Here's another really cool design. Look at that. That is I like this one. These are really nice. They just said like a geometric shape and different patterns and different looks to them and different colors. So here's a green color here. It's a really cool color. Look at this green. This one is really popping off the screen here. It's really nice. You can see that. There's another color there. Put that to the side. Here is a blue color. Very cool. Take a look at that. Yeah, that is beautiful. These are really sharp. I like these designs are really interesting. And it comes, like I said, with the metal holder. Here they are right here. Here's another close-up shot of this one here, which is really super nice. Wow. That is nice. I like that one there. Put that there. And the last one. Here's the last one here. A little bit mute, a little bit more in the reds and oranges. This could be more so like any design. This will go pretty much anywhere. It'll look great anywhere. And that's what I like about these kind of coasters. You can see how they fit. And I'll just put them on here without the paper on it. So way you can see how they look when you can stack them and you can store them. And they actually look really nice. This is how they stack and they store, just like that. So if someone comes over, you pour a couple of drinks, you put down a couple of different coasters, different colors. You can just see how they all look, how cool they are. There's 8 different ones, like I said, and absolutely fantastic. So I'm definitely going to go ahead and recommend something like this here. Definitely high quality. Check out the company. Definitely offer a nice, superior product with a nice metal rack that holds all of them together. So if you enjoyed this type of review, don't forget to follow, like, and share on this channel. I do appreciate you watching. Hope you learned a little bit about these products. I think they're probably the best quality coasters for the money that you can find out there. So definitely go ahead. I'm going to get a quick measurement. I want you to see the size of it before I wrap this up. So we got a 4-inch diameter all across, and the thickness is approximately 3/16, I think, right around there. And that's what I have. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow the channel for more videos just like this so you can learn about items just like this. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.